doing that face.
What face? Come here.
That face, like that. You just got licked there. Get out of here, stop. It's not funny. You gotta get me a car to do it. And you always try and put me on shit and get me on motherfucking shit. So shit, alright? Oh shit, look how the Velveeta just rolls off.
You're an idiot.
Oh yeah, just like that. Don't clap on me. They call me Trigger because I be busting all over bitches.
What's up, Sinead Day?
I'm trying to get my cook on. I came home with this mentality of being black. You gonna spit? So now I'm trying to get rich, making cookbooks. I be got no life because he be coming over and just Facebooking me and all in my Twitter. He Twittering on
Yo,
me.
that's what my girl just said right now. She's like, I have no life.
Who? Who said that?
Claudia.
Her?
Yeah.